Hello everyone. Today, WAGO completes 25 years of existence in India. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. For us, it was the introduction of our patented cage clamp, a spring connection technology in India. At that time, we were the flag bearer of this innovative technology. And did we succeed? If imitation is the sincerest form of flattery, we sure did. We have today spring connection technology offered not only by us, but by all other suppliers. Today, WAGO in India is a known name not only for wiring connection, but also for interface electronics and automation control products. I would like to thank all who made it possible. First and foremost, our employees, past and present, who worked relentlessly to achieve our aim. Our erstwhile JV partner, the CNS Group, who helped us through the formative years. Our clients and users who saw merit in our products. Our distributors who worked tirelessly with us, and our vendors who have supported our manufacturing through the years. Today, WAGO is known for its quality products, which is a hallmark of our German parentage. The manufacturing unit in India not only caters to the demands of the Indian users, but also is recognized as an important link in the global supply chain of WAGO. This would be further enhanced when we start a new state-of-the-art factory in Vadodara in 2021. WAGO is proud of its employee-friendly culture, promoting continuous skill enhancement, gender equality, and inclusive growth. We aim to continue on this path. We hope we can meet soon to personally share and talk about our journey, experience, and innovative new products and technology. Till then, stay safe and be healthy. Jai Hind.